What's going on, guys? David here with you with DC Appliance Repair. Wanted to do an update that we're doing the live Q&A this Saturday at 8 p.m. Central Time. I have been doing them at 9, but this time we're going to run one a little earlier, just to the fact that I know that some of you guys are in different time zones. So that's the reason why we're doing it earlier. So gonna have some great content. Gonna be teaching on some different things, and then of course we're gonna open it up there for all the comments, for all the questions you guys may have. But do me a favor and go ahead and go into your phone and set your alarm up for this Saturday at 7:50 p.m. That way, because I know some of you guys are busy, you may forget. I know some of you guys comment and say, hey man, I'm sorry I missed it. Well, don't miss it this time. Go ahead and put your alarm on and come be a part of it. We always have fun, we always learn, we always just have a good time. They normally last about an hour long, but hey, it could go longer. It's up to you guys, but we always have fun. Enjoy talking with you guys. I appreciate each and every one of you that's a part of my channel. I really do. I mean, this thing is growing. I'm finna hit 800 subscribers, and always, the deal still goes. When I hit 1,000 subscribers, I will be giving away a tool bag with at least $150 to a $200 gift card in it. So I'll do another video on that another time, but just wanted to give you guys the update, give you all the heads up, and I'll look forward to seeing you in the live Q&A. Thank you.